So what's the Grape Explorer talking about today? So many years ago, when I first started in this business, I was doing a lot of interesting wines, especially from France. I was really curious, bringing in wines that I thought were kind of unique. But one of the areas, it was the Languedoc. And we broke out a map here and we want to show you exactly what that area encompasses, which is right down here. You can see Languedoc is here. And there's a lot of what they call appellation all along here. And you've got the Mediterranean right here, so you can see that this area has got a steep history. So again, we always talk about this area. The Greeks came in here first planting vines. The Romans came in here planting vines. And, but we're also going to talk about an area today called Minervois. And the reason why I wanted to talk about that was I always felt that this was always my favorite area in the Languedoc. Why? Well, the wines are just unbelievably great. And I had a chance to taste these wines even 25 years ago. I was tasting wines from Minervois, like Domaine Maurice, and some of these fabulous producers down there. But this was a discovery that I made the other day. This is called Vignobles Pujol. And if we can zoom in on the label, I want to talk a little bit about them as a family. They're quite kind to get us involved here. So the family really, I wanted to talk about this wine because if you see the label on here, and if you don't know French, Mercredi right here means Wednesday, and then obviously 12:30 is 12:30 in the afternoon because they do everything according to the military time. So 12:30 right here is in the afternoon. So why would the Pujol family pick a nice Minervois here and call it Wednesday and at 12:30? And I wanted to know. But interestingly enough, so the Pujol family, always on that day, Wednesday at 12:30, was time for lunch. And so the grandchildren and the children and the grandparents and the parents had to show up on Wednesday at 12:30 for the afternoon meal. It was a tradition in this family. But guess what they did? They had a beautiful lunch and they would bring their own wine, but great wines to celebrate with the family. That is really cool. How many times do we do that here in America? Not much, where we just gather the troops together and just celebrate on that day. But I'll tell you what, you could not be late for the Pujol dinner or the luncheon. You had to be there on time. That's why they said Wednesday, 12:30, be there. So we wanted to celebrate not only family, which I always, I'm passionate about my family like everybody out there is passionate about theirs. But this is what it's all about, isn't it? When you can bring the family together for a beautiful meal, and obviously what surrounds a beautiful meal is beautiful wine. And we wanted to, like I said, give a shout out to the Pujol family. I think it's just a wonderful honor to be able to do this. And it's always, they do this a lot during the harvest because, when they're picking the grapes, the family gets out there as a unit and they all pick the grapes. They come in and then, they're having their lunch. But yeah, we wanted to point this out. That's exactly the Minervois area. The Minervois has a long history dating back to Roman times, and the region associated with the ancient city of Minerva, which is one of the oldest vineyards in all of Europe. Archaeological evidence shows that viniculture here dates back to early Roman days, even pre-Roman times. And the wines in the region are also mentioned by Pliny the Younger. We talked about him earlier. And it was named Minerva after the Greek goddess. But so we're going back a lot of history here. But you gotta love what I'm trying to do here. Because I love history, very passionate about it. I was a history major in college. So when I do my research and I talk about certain areas like this, you can see my passion. And I'm trying to get you guys to be passionate out there with me as well. So beautiful wine, Minervois. It's also certified organic. That means that there's no pesticides, no chemicals, or no herbicides used in the vineyards. Everything is as natural as you want to get, because when they bring a wine to the table for their family, they want to make sure that they're drinking Mother Earth and they're not drinking everything bad. So they're sharing that passion and that love with you. I'm sharing it with you as well. So let's just dive right into this. So Minervois, this is a traditional blend of Grenache Syrah, and they use a little bit of Carignan in this blend, the Pujols. But just explodes out of the glass. You get all of that beautiful blackberry, really beautiful red fruits just leaping from the glass. I mean, just beautiful, beautiful notes. When you taste this wine, Mineral, bright acidity, lovely balance. This is an absolute stunner of a wine. You know what this wine would retail for? About 15 bucks a bottle. Let's just say, some people might be able to, get it for under $20 a bottle. So that's a huge value in the scheme of things, because again, this Languedoc region is the hotbed for values in France, especially for red wines, but it's underlooked. A lot of people don't know this area. They don't discover this area, but this area was discovered by the Greeks, the Romans, and they have caves that are in this area that actually, they have hieroglyphics on the caves that date back 8,000 years, that there were people living in caves in this area. So we're talking about one of the historical perspectives, and even France is concerned. That's how beautiful and wonderful it is. That's the Mediterranean here, just beautifully pounding this area with breezes coming in here to cool these grapes and to get these wines to be top level. Again, this is Grape Explorer. I'm always out there talking about great wines. Brought another one to the plate today, a Minervois from right here. You can see it, Pujol. Cheers.